Good morning to all students. Today I discuss your fourth practical, that is inverse of competition of inverse of that matrix, means that is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, inverse of a Cayley-Hamilton theorem. First I explain what is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, some rules is there. Okay, you know that one already studied in PUC. That is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, first Cayley-Hamilton theorem means that is the some characteristic equation is there, characteristic polynomial is there. Okay, first one is the characteristic polynomial. What is the characteristic polynomial? A minus lambda of I. Okay, A means that is the given equation. Okay, after that, then lambda is some constant. I mean that is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Otherwise, 0 3 column means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is identity matrix. Okay, next go to a characteristic equation. After characteristic equation means that is the determinant of A minus lambda of I is equal to 0. That is the characteristic equation. Okay, remember that one, characteristic polynomial A minus lambda phi. That means that matrix A minus lambda phi. That is characteristic polynomial. Characteristic equation means that is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. That is equation. Okay, after that you simplification. After that simplification means some value is coming. Means that lambda cube minus 4 lambda plus 32, then constant I. Okay, 32 is equal to 0. That is after that you convert lambda into A. Okay, you know that one theoretically how to Cayley-Hamilton theorem solve. Okay, that is A cube minus lambda cube means we convert lambda to A, means that is the A cube minus 4A, then 32, then you write I. Okay, constant 32 into I is equal to 0. After that the simplification, finally you got the result, that is 1001 with identity matrix. Finally you after that you take that null matrix, that is 0 0 0. Okay, see here in your experiment, fourth experiment, that is the competition of inverse of matrix. Okay, inverse of matrix using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, means inverse of matrix. You know that word, how to theoretically finding the inverse. Inverse means adjacent of A divided by determinant of A. Okay, you know the formula, A inverse is equal to adjacent of A divided by determinant of A. You know that one, adjacent, how to finding the adjacent, you know that one. Adjacent and cofactor, okay, that is minus 1 to the power of I plus j. That is the cofactor. Okay. Okay. In your fourth practical, I go to Maxima Windows. Okay. See here, this is your screen. Okay, this is Maxima Windows. Okay, see here. First, you know that one, that is the new page. Okay, in your inverse competition of the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, means you write typing. You know that one, the algebra is there, algorithm. What is the algorithm? That is the step by step how to finding the simplification, means that is the calculating. Okay. First step is enter the given matrix. Okay, first you enter the given matrix. Next, second step is find the characteristic polynomial. Okay, of A. Characteristic polynomial of A means you know that one. That is the matrix of A minus lambda phi. That is the characteristic polynomial. After that, substitution A. Okay, in the characteristic polynomial mean you will finally substitute that one. Okay, then finding the inverse of A. Finally, you got the inverse of A means that is the step 4. Okay, here key comment is there. What is the key comment mean? That is A, then colon of matrix. Already you know that one. How to finding that one? That is A means that A is equal to, first you go to algebra. After that go to A, then you enter the matrix. That is the A matrix. Then after that you find, means that you substitute that some values. Okay, see here, that is the first go to algebra, then enter the matrix. Okay, what is the matrix name? That is the A. Okay, I enter here some element 213, 2, tab 1, tab 3, next 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, next 6 to 5, 6, 6, 2, that is the 5, that is the 3 row, 3 column. Okay, this is your matrix. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6 to 5. Okay, after that go to a next, see here, you type kill all. This is another method, that is, you know that one, that is kill all is the header file. Last time I did here, 1 minute. I go to a file, then save. Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, I type here only. See here, this is the kill all. Then you go to a dollar symbol. See here, this is the another method. Means how to finding the Cayley-Hamilton theorem means first you take the kill all, means that is the header file. KILL, that is small kill all. Then dollar symbol. Then you press enter. Enter means you go to a next line. Okay. Then after that clash, enter the clash. After that star, enter the matrix. That is the enter the matrix. Okay. Don't write capital. First one only capital. After that small. Enter the matrix. That is enter the matrix, that capital A. Then star. Then this is clash. Then you press enter. Okay. After that A matrix. A colon of, that is the A colon of, 1 minute. I rub this one. A colon of that matrix. Matrix of, okay, you type, that is the square bracket. Then first row is 2, 1, 3. Then 2 comma 2 comma, then minus 1, that is the minus 1 comma, then 2 minus 1, then plus 1. Okay, then square bracket close. Next go to a next comma, then go to a second row, means you write second one, that square bracket open, then you write second row is 4, 1. What is the second row? That is minus 1, 2, minus 1. Minus 1, then 2 comma 2 comma, then minus 1. Minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay, next go to a, that the third, then comma. Okay, that is first row complete, second row complete, then third row. Third row means first you take the square bracket, then what is the third row element? 1 minus 1, 2. 1 comma minus 1 comma then 2. Okay, then See here, that is the semicolon. First you take A matrix, after that colon of matrix of this element. 2, minus 1, 1, comma, then minus 1, 2, then minus 1, comma, then third row is 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, after that you press shift enter. This is your matrix. Okay, next you want identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix means you take the key command, that is the capital I, then colon of, that is the identity. You write identity. Identity of that IDENT of 3. Means we take 3 rows, 3 column, that is identity of 3. Okay, then semicolon, then shift enter. Okay, this is identity matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, after that you take, that is the characteristic equation. You know, that is the characteristic equation means, that is the key command is characteristic polynomial CHPOLY, that is characteristic polynomial CHPOLY, characteristic polynomial, then colon of, then expand EXPAND. That is the expand of bracket characteristic polynomial CHARPOLY. That is characteristic polynomial of, what is the characteristic polynomial of? Then given equation A, then comma, then constant lambda. You take lambda means that this side here lambda is there, that lambda. Okay, see here CHPOLY means that is characteristic polynomial of, then colon, then expand. What is the expand? Characteristic polynomial of A comma lambda. Okay, then semicolon. Then you go to a next, shift enter. See here, lambda cube plus 6 lambda square minus lambda minus 9 lambda plus 4. That is the equation. Okay, next go to a subtract. SUBST. That is the subtract. Okay, means simplification. Then bracket of, that is, remember this one, this is important. That is the dot of, then A. Then comma, then lambda. Okay, substitute SUBST, then bracket of, then dash of A comma lambda comma, then CH characteristics. CHPOLY, characteristic polynomial. Okay, then substitute that A, then lambda, then characteristic polynomial, then semicolon. You press shift enter. That is, sorry, see here, suppose you take capital mean, this is the wrong. Okay, see here, the lambda cube is there. I will replace lambda means that is A, that is A cube plus 6x square. Okay, minus 9a, then plus 4. Okay, means the replacing lambda means that is the replacing by lambda to A. Okay, and next go to a equation into a 0 can write. Okay, that is the inverse of 1. Finally, you finding inverse. Okay, in theoretical inverse means we take that A inverse is equal to adjacent of A divided by determinant of A. That is the formula. Okay, in practically you write inverse INV. That is INV means that is the inverse. INV. Only I is the capital. After that, NV is small. That is the inverse of, that is 1. Then colon. After that, then bracket of, you write inverse of 1, that is 1 by 4, 1 divide 4. Here 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, then that is the star, into means you take, you know that one, that is the star. Okay, 1 by 4 into that A square. A square means you take A double cap of 2, that is A, then cap of 2. A cap of, that is the A square minus then 6a A square minus 6 star A. Okay, A square minus 6A plus 9I plus 9I. 9 star of I. See here, A square minus 6A plus 9I. Okay. Then come outside, then semicolon, then you press shift enter. See here, that is the inverse of A. Means first inverse, that is the inverse means that is the 3 by 4, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, that is the 1 by 4. Okay. Minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. See here, this is the inverse of A. Remember this one? First, once again, I explain this one. See here, first is the kill all, that is the header file. After that, that is the symbol, that is the dollar symbol. Remember this one? This is the dollar symbol. Then go to it, that is the slash, then star, enter the matrix. Then after that, star and class. Class means this is the one symbol is there. Okay, in your laptop, I mean this system, that one key is there. That is the class. Okay, next, that is the A matrix. A colon of matrix of then some element, that is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 then 1 minus 1 2. Okay, then bracket close semicolon. After that you press shift enter, then that is the 3 rows 3 column is coming. After that we take the identity matrix. Identity matrix means we take I is equal to IDENT, mean that is the identity of that 3. I mean I take 3 rows 3 column. Okay, after that you press shift enter. Okay, this is your result. That's the identity matrix. Then go to next, that is the CHPOLY, that is the characteristic polynomial. Then characteristic polynomial, then colon of expand, means simplification, expand, then characteristic polynomial of A comma lambda. Okay, A means given equation, after the lambda means you take the constant. After that, then double bracket close, then semicolon. After that, you press here, shift enter, then the equation immediately comes. That is minus lambda cube plus 6 lambda square minus lambda 9 lambda plus 4. Okay, next go to a subtract, means substitution. That is the SUBST, substitution of then A comma lambda comma, that is the characteristic polynomial. That is the replacing lambda to A. That is minus A cube plus 6A square minus 9A plus 4. Okay, next go to A. We find finally inverse of A. What is the inverse of A mean? We take inverse of, that is the one of, suppose you take inverse of A. That inverse of A means that is the 1 by 4. Then theoretically simplification this one. After that 1 by 4 into A square minus 6A plus 9I. Okay, you take constant I. I means identity matrix. After that you go to a shift enter. See here. Y means, suppose you take some mistake means that incorrect syntax, that A is the Y means I take here what only you take inverse means that is the correct. Okay. See here. Y means we take 1 means next inverse of 2 means that is the answer also a same. That is the inverse of 1, inverse of 2. Okay, that is inverse, that is 1 by 4. Then star means we take the multiplication, that is the star. Okay, then that is the minus 6A plus 9I. Then semicolon, you press shift enter. Okay, then that is your final result. That is the computation of inverse of matrix, that is using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, this is not for your theory syllabus, only for your practical. Remember this one, this is the fourth practical. Okay. Next one, next example, this is also the same. Okay. See here. First go to A, that is the new page. After that, you type first kill all. K, you kill all mean that is the small, not a capital. Remember this one. Suppose you take the capital mean that is the wrong. Okay. Kill all, then dollar symbol. That symbol is in your fourth Okay, fourth key. Then dollar symbol. Then you press only enter, not shift enter, only enter. Then go to a enter a matrix. Okay, then you take class, then star, then enter a matrix. Enter the matrix. That is enter the matrix, then star, then clash. Okay, then you press only enter. Okay, then after that, that is a matrix, then capital A, colon of, that is the matrix, 3 rows 3 column, that is the A matrix, then open bracket, that is the matrix means element is, you take square bracket, then 7 4 minus 1, 7, then comma 4 comma minus 1. Okay, this is the first element. Next comma, next go to a, you press enter, otherwise you continue, you write continue. Okay, next square bracket open, then second element is second row second element, that is the 4 7 minus 1, 4 comma 7 comma minus 1, which is the second element. Okay, next go to a third one. Third means you press enter, then you take the square bracket, then what is the minus 4 minus 4 4, that is the minus 4 comma minus 4 comma then plus 4. Okay, then come outside, after that semicolon, then shift enter. See here, this is your 3 rows 3 column matrix, that is 7 4 minus 1, 4 7 minus 1, then minus 4 minus 4 plus 4. Okay, and next go to next step, that is the identity matrix. You take, then I colon of, that is the identity, ID ENT. Remember this one, identity means you only type the identity, ID ENT of bracket, that is the 3 rows 3 column means you take 3. Then semicolon, shift enter. Here I type here some mistakes, spelling mistakes. Here IDENT. Suppose you take the mistake means, that is identity of 3. This is 3 rows 3 column identity matrix. Okay. Next go to a, I want to next step, that is characteristic polynomial. Okay. CHPOLY. Okay, this is characteristic polynomial. You take capital C, that is the characteristic polynomial of, that is the colon, then that is the expand. Expand, what is the expand? That is the characteristic of, that is CHPOLY of, what is that one? Expand A, then comma, that lambda. You take capital A, not a small a. Okay, A comma lambda. Characteristic polynomial of expand expand, then characteristic polynomial CHAR. Okay, you write here CHAR. Characteristic polynomial of A comma lambda, that is then a semicolon, then shift enter. See here, that is the minus lambda cube plus 18 lambda square minus 81 lambda plus 108. This is your characteristic polynomial. Okay, after that, that is the substitution. SUBST. That is SUBST. The substitution means, that is SUBST, then bracket of, then A, then comma, then lambda, then comma, CHPOLY. That is characteristic polynomial. Come outside, then semicolon, shift enter. See here, I did here some mistake. Which one mistake means? See here, this is the A. Means we first you remember this one. This is the important. You take, that is the dash of A of, then comma, then lambda, then characteristic polynomial. Okay. See here, Suppose I take a small C mean, that is not coming output. Okay. Suppose you take the capital C mean, you come out. Okay. Output mean that is A cube minus A cube plus 18 A square minus 81 A plus 108. Okay. That means that lambda is replaced to A. Next equation, that is the inverse. Next finally find inverse. Okay. That is inverse. That inverse means you take INV, inverse, then colon of, then bracket, that is constant, you 1 divided by constant, you take outside, okay? Then 1 divided by, that is 108. 1 divide 108 into means you take the star. I come to second line. Wait. 108. Okay. Inverse of 1 divided by 108. Then into means star. Then open bracket. What is the A square? A square means you take A double cap of 2. That is A square. Then minus what is the minus? 18A. 18 means that is 118. Then star 18 star A. That is the 18A. 18A. Then plus 81I. Minus 81. Sorry. That is the A square. Then minus 18I plus 81. 81, that I, that is the identity matrix I. I mean you take 81 star of I. Okay, see here, inverse, then colon of 1 divided by 108 into, that is into means star, then A square minus 18A, then plus 81 I. Then close bracket, semicolon, shift enter. Okay, see here, that is the result, that is the 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9, that is the 1 by 36, then minus 1 by 9, then 2 by 9, then 1 by 36, then 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 11 by 36. This is the final inverse of A. Remember this one? Once again I explain. First you go to a kill all, that is the header file. Remember this one? That is the kill all means that is the header file. After that is the dollar symbol. After that, go to enter. You only press enter, not shift enter. You only press the enter. Then class star, enter the matrix. That is the matrix. Then star, then class. After that, we take the matrix A colon of matrix of, that is the element, that is open bracket, then square bracket open, 7, 4, then minus 1, then square bracket close, then semicolon. Sorry, that is the comma. After that, go to a second row. That is the second row means open bracket, means that is open square bracket, 4, 7, minus 1. Then square bracket close. After that, that is the comma. Okay. Next, go to a next third one. That is third one means that is the 4, minus 4, then minus 4, then plus 4. Okay. After that, you come to here, then you type your shift enter means. Shift enter means this is the your 3 row 3 column matrix. Next, go to a identity matrix. I, that is the capital I colon of, that is the small identity IDENT of 3. Okay, that is the identity matrix. Then after that, you come to here, that is shift enter. Okay. This is the identity matrix. Next, go to a, that is the CHPOL, means that is the characteristic polynomial, that is expand, means expand of characteristic polynomial of A, comma, that is the lambda. Okay, this one line is important. You remember this one. After that, go to a shift enter means this is the result. That is the lambda cube plus 18 lambda square minus 81 lambda plus 108. After simplification, that is the substitution is there. That's the substitute. This one SUBST. That is the important. That is dash of a comma lambda comma characteristic polynomial. Then semicolon. Then you press here shift enter. Okay. Shift enter means that is the minus a cube plus 18a square minus 81a plus 108. Simplification. After that, we finally go to that is the inverse. Inverse means you take inverse of here, that is the inverse of a. Inverse means you take here, that is the inverse. Inverse of, that is the 1 divided by 108, then star. Okay. That multiplication means you take using that is star, then a double cap of a square plus minus 18a plus 81i. Then semicolon. That is the final result. That is inverse of, this is the 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9, 1 by 36 minus 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 1 by 36. Then the last row 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 11 by 36. This is your result. Okay, this is practically. Okay, theoretically means that is the characteristic equation. After that simplification, okay, that is the theoretically. Then practically this one. Remember this one? Okay, this is the two practical. Thank you. Okay, next in class I take that is the fifth practical. Okay, thank you for all.